Good morning, good morning. A little tangled up over here. I'm going to do a little mathematics. 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals to 12. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 1 plus 7 equals to 4. How do we get that? Well, we're going to go 1, and then we're going to do backwards. The 7 over the 1 equals to the 4. We did reduction of 8. Then we're going to go 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 equals to 33. The reduction equals to 6. Here the reduction equals to, right? The addition equals to 6. Here the addition equals to 3. Total is 9. So the total of all these numbers in a reduced value is 3 and 6, 9 inside the house. In order to create this, I need 11. In order to recreate this, I need 24 or 42. 2 times 4 equals to 8. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 6 and... No, that was wrong. Wow, I need 24. Right, it's 44. Sorry, 44. 4 times 4 equals to 16. 4 plus 4 equals to 8, equals to 24. 2 and 4 equals to 6. So I need 11 and 44. That freedom pass is 55. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, how does all this, right, become only 8? Well, it's pretty simple. That if I take 9, right, 9 and 8, so we're going to take 9, and we're going to put an 8 on top of it. Boom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 6, and we're going to put an 8 on top of it. And then what we're going to do, right, is we're going to take 5 or 2. And then once we draw 8 on top of any of these numbers, right, here we had 2 and 5. Here we had 2 and 8. Here we had 3 and 8. Here we had 5 and 8. Here we had 6 and 8. And we're going to do 9 and 8. Here's 9. And then we're going to do 8 over it, right? And here we have 9 and 8. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 equals to 10. Equals to design 8, equals to 11, equals to design 8, equals to 13, design 8, equals to 14, design 8, equals to 14, design 8. So everything fits into the heavens. All these numbers fits into the heavens. But the 147 doesn't fit into the heaven. That when you draw the 7 and the 1 out, you end up with the 4. The 4 upside down towards the 8, or the 7 upside down to what the 1 bringing the... Do you notice I'm saying the 7 turns this upside down? So all you're left with is 4 and 8, and we get the sun. We get Pluto is 84. We get the ring. We get the pole, etc., etc. So this one, now what happens if we did other numbers like 2 and 3 comes together? We end up with that. Right? Almost like looking at the A sign. That's what 2 and 3. It doesn't come out to anything we really know other than the small A backwards. What if we get the 2 and the 5? Well, we get the 2 and the 5. It equals to an 8. What if we get the 2 and the 6? Well, we get the 2, right? And then we get the 6, right? The 2 and the 6 equals to 8. Or what if we get the 2 and the 9 together? Well, here's the 9, right? And then here's the 2. So the 2 and the 9, the 2 and the 6. Do we get that right? The 2 and the 6 come together. The 2 and the 9. Here's that 9. Let me see. Here's the 2. And then here's the 9. Here's the 2, and then here's the 6, and then here's the 2, and we already know that's the 5, so we got all that. So we did all these. We 2 and the 8, we know 2 and the 8 also comes together. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go the 3 and the 5. So when we do the 3, right, and the 5, we get the 9. Okay. When we do the 3 and the 6, and the 6, 3 and 6, we get the 8. So 3 and 5, we get the 9. The 3 and the 6, we get the 8. The 3 and the 8, right? The 3 and the 8, we get the 8. The 3 and the 9, so we get the 3 here, right? And we get the 9. So the 3 and the 9 will create this. 3 and 6 creates this. 3 and 9 creates this. Now we're going to go the 5. So the 5 and the 8, we get this. Now the 9 and the 5, we get that. So 3 and 9 and 5 and 9 both come out to this. 9 and 8 comes out to 8. So what happens if we get the 1 and the 8? We get a smaller 88. What if we get the 2 and the 8? We get the inverted 6 and 9. But what happens if we get the 5 and the 1? Now we get the percentage sign, and we get an 8 on an angle. You see, we also get the 8 on one angle, and this 8 on the other angle, showing me the crossover to this way, or the crossover to this way. But we have to look at it going that way, right? Going up that way, we have to turn this page up. So when the 4 is up, it's going this way. When the 1 is up, right, you can see it going the other way. I think we basically covered all the numbers, except for what happens with the 8 and the 7. We're going to show you this on a larger scale. So if we took the 8 and we ran the 7, right, we would end up looking like this. So we'd have 1.5 blocks. But if we did it in this area, which is, can we do it in this area? Yes, we could. We'd also end up with this part over here and a larger part over here. Same thing, reflective in each side. If I took this and put it over here, right, which would be looking like this, right? So we'd end up with these two pieces looking like these two pieces over here. Anyways, we're going to end it at that. It was 7:41. Thank you for watching this video. Peace and love. And remember, it was 333 and 33 that came out. 333 and 33. And that's when 71, 71, 71 come together, 71 minutes. So when you have 71 minutes, you get 11, 11, 11 plus 60, 60, and 60, or 6 and 11, or 8, 8, 8. How did I do that? I don't want to confuse you, because 71 minutes times 3 equals to 213. 213 minutes is equal to 3 hours and